In this video, I want to take you through the brand new bulk image importer or puzzle compiler. Now, if you already have the puzzle generator, you already have this bulk image importer feature inside PowerPoint, inside the add-in. But now, this is what I like to call phase 2 of the project, and that is changing everything over to Python, which means number one, it's an awful lot quicker. And number two is that you do not need PowerPoint. So for example, this bulk image importer can save into PPTX, which of course is PowerPoint, ODP, which is the OpenOffice format, and PDF. And if you create, obviously, in PPTX or ODP, you can not only edit these in OpenOffice, LibreOffice, PowerPoint, but you can also do so in software such as Keynote and Office Online, Google Slides, etc. And also, if you do have the puzzle generator, this is completely free. This is a free upgrade for you, no cost whatsoever. Right, now let's get into it. So our first option here is to choose our image folder. Now this is the folder that we have all our images or puzzles that we want to import in. So I'm going to choose here Sudoku test puzzles. And as you can see, I've got 500 items in there. Now we can select our slide settings, so our width and our height in inches. And then after this, we have our image settings. So this is our top and bottom margin, our left and right margin, and our minimum spacing horizontally and vertically between the images. This is important, especially the margins, if you are compiling puzzles for KDP. You might want to have a little bit of a play around with the settings to get the optimal results for you. But for this example, I'm going to stick on the default. Our next option here is we can select how many images we want on each slide or each page. If we want to maintain our image aspect ratio, and typically, yes, you will, so leave this as default. Our next option is to select our image titles. Now, if you do not want a title, just simply empty it out like that and it won't insert a title at all. If you do, type in what you want. So I'm going to go Sudoku, and then now we can choose our font. Now this should bring up all of the fonts that you've got installed on your computer. We can choose, we see our preview there. We can choose our font size, stick with 14, our alignment, so it's align left, and also if you want bold or italics, let's just go for bold. And then our next option here is our save location. So if we click save as, what we can do is put in our file name. So let's put Sudoku book. And here it gives us the option to either save as a PowerPoint file, a PDF file, or an OpenOffice presentation. Now, if you save as either a PowerPoint file or OpenOffice presentation, these will be fully editable in your desktop publishing software. If you choose PDF file, this will be a print-ready PDF, which you can, of course, upload to KDP or whatever you want to do with it. So if I just stick with PowerPoint file for this example, just to show you how much quicker this is. And if you've used the bulk image importer in the PowerPoint add-in, you will really notice the difference in speed. So remember, this is 500 pictures or images. Typically, I mean, I'd imagine in the PowerPoint add-in this would take, I don't know, say maybe 5 minutes or so, something like that. So let's just get on with it here. So we click save and then generate. And there we go, an awful lot quicker. So now if we just load up our Sudoku book here, you can see it's imported our images with my font and my alignment and bold, font size, etc. And again, obviously this is editable and you can make changes, add your own things onto the slides or the pages, regardless of what desktop publishing software you use. So I hope you enjoy this upgrade to the bulk image importer. Please do bear in mind at the moment it is in beta, so there may be a few bugs, but I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.